It's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we'll be creating with the Great Bead Extravaganza Soft Flex Design Kit, just Peachy. And I'm using two of the bead mixes to create this necklace, as well as some items I claimed at the Soft Flex live sale. We are using our turquoise Soft Flex wire, and this came in the kit, but you can also buy it individually at softflexcompany.com or in a color combo trio. Let's start creating. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also in the description, I will leave links for the playlist of the Just Peachy design tutorials I've created, as well as the unboxing of this wonderful kit. So I know it's kind of a little bit of a mess here on my bead mat, but we're going to start by making these little dangles. And these are perfect for earrings if you just want to make an earring or a matching earring. But we're going to make three more of those and just kind of add them as little tassels from our necklace. And the theme was just peachy to incorporate the Pantone color of the year for 2024, Peach Fuzz. So I already have my pattern kind of laid out of how I would like it. So to start, we're going to cut about 5 inches of soft flex wire. So 5 inches for each dangle, and we're going to need three of those. So we have our soft flex wire. We're just going to string on a 2x2 and then pass back through our soft flex wire. So we're going to have a little loop. We're going to take our pliers, go and give it a smash, and then we're just going to round it. And this is going to give it a more professional finish. And with these, we can alternate. I did the tassel on the shorter side, but you can alternate between the feather and the tassel. And I'm also letting my soft flex wire show so it can incorporate that turquoise color into the necklace. These little peach beads, and they're like a matte crackle. They're an 8mm bead. So we're going to slide one bead on our 2x2 and our tassel. And we're just going to pass back through our 2x2 and give it a squeeze. Our little dangles, and we'll just complete our last one. And you could add jump rings to them, or you can just go and twist them to the side. So we have all these little dangles that I made earlier. And it's just soft flex wire and then adding 2x2s and attaching your charms with these 8mm check glass beads. They're like a matted peach fuzz color. So now we're going to string on the rest of our necklace, and this is just basic bead stringing. So go ahead and cut 20 inches of your soft flex turquoise wire. So I have the pattern kind of laid out here. So I'm just going to start from one side and just go ahead and string it on. And then at the ends of the necklace, I will just add on these extra beads. So usually if I don't have my pattern lined out, I will start in the middle and just work side to side. So one of these really pretty beads, and these yellow ones, they kind of look like a tangerine, but I feel that they could also go for the upcoming design kit for Softlex Company, Sunset Splendor. So we're going to put these little ones on. These remind me of a sea glass. So we're just going to keep adding on our beads. Of course, we have to have our sparkle in there. So when we get to the ones that we just made with the little connectors, you could attach a jump ring or just string them on, because that little loop on top is going to kind of act as a jump ring. Just when we add on all the little feather components, we need to make sure that they're going the right way. So just keep adding on your bead and on all the beads for my necklace. So now we're just going to alternate between these blue beads and these little pinch beads, and they are a crystal AB. What I like about some of the lighter colored ones, they're see-through, so you can see the turquoise wire show through your design. Just kind of adds that pop of sparkle. And also, if you didn't want to add beads to the back of the necklace, you could just go ahead and let the beautiful soft like wire show and just incorporate that into your design. So we're just going to keep adding on our beads until we reach the desired length of our necklace, and then we will go ahead and attach our clasp. The beads to our necklace. Now we're just going to attach our clasp. So you will need two more 2x2s and your clasp. I am using the lobster claw that came in the kit. We're going to slide on our 2x2 and our lobster claw and just pass back through our 2x2. Leave a little bit of wiggle room. Then we're just going to give it a squeeze and rotate. So we'll just go ahead and trim that off, making sure not to trim the wire that you need. So now I have some extra soft flex wire, so I'm just going to slide my whole project down. So I have a longer piece of soft flex, and then we're just going to trim that. And always save your soft flex wire. You can save it for another project. Clasps, if you had like a toggle bar, you would attach that, or a second side of the magnetic clasp. For a lobster claw, you can either connect it to a jump ring or just directly to the little loop in the back. So I'm just going to pass it back through and create a little loop. And take my pliers and give it a little smash and rotate. And I can always attach a jump ring in the future or a little length of chain if I needed to extend my necklace. Here is our beautiful Just Peachy necklace made with the Great Bead Extravaganza bead mix, exclusively made by Jesse James Beads, and my live sale items. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And don't forget to check out the description down below for all information, unboxing and upcoming tutorials. Have a wonderful day.